Topography, or an area's physical features, determines how water flows through the landscape. Watershed refers to a section of the land that collects and drains all the water that falls onto it into a single point or common area, almost as a funnel does. When it rains, some water is absorbed by the soil and is stored as groundwater, while some goes back into the atmosphere as evaporation. All of that which remains on the surface flows down, following the slope of the land. Water moves through this network through a series of drainage pathways that converge into streams and rivers, eventually reach larger body of water such as an estuary or the ocean. Watersheds replenish groundwater, sustain rivers that support and connect ecosystems.